Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. I am Riya Singh presenting the topic New Advancement Technology in Forensic Science Part 3. This video is written by Yukta Guglot, Secretary Applied Forensic Research Science, and presented by Riya Singh, Volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science. So in this video, we will talk about two new advancement technology of forensic science used for analysis of forensic samples. First one is GCQMS, that is gas chromatography quadrupole mass spectrometer. GCQMS, also known as GC mass selective detector or GCMS. When gas chromatography is combined with a mass spectrometer that include one quadrupole, it is often referred as GCMS. The GC separates compound based on differences in volatility and solubility in the liquid, solid and gaseous phases. It works on the principle that a mixture will separate into individual substance when heated. Then the heated gas are carried through a column with an inert gas such as helium. As the separated substance emerge from the column opening, they flow into MS, mass spectrometry identified compounds by the mass of the analyte molecule. Quadrupole mass analyzer QMS, also known as a transmission quadrupole mass spectrometer, quadrupole mass filter or a quadrupole mass spectrometer, as the name implies, of four cylindrical rods set parallel to each other. In QMS, the quadrupole is the mass analyzer, the component of the instrument responsible for selecting sample ions based on their mass to charge ratio. Types of GCMS. There are two types of GCMS. First one is single quadrupole mass spectrometer. Second is triple quadrupole GCMS. Its applications are pesticide analysis in food and environmental samples, analysis of biological sample for drug abuse, analysis of volatile organic compound in H2O samples, analysis of drug abuse in urine and blood. So the second topic here we have is gas chromatography ion trap mass spectrometry, that is GCITMS. It is an ion trap mass spectrometer, functions both as mass spectrometer, considerably mass range and variable mass resolution, and as an ion store in which gaseous ion can be confined. An ion trap is a combination of electric or magnetic fields used to capture charged particles known as ions, often in a system isolated from an external environment. This ITMS have been available as a detector for gas chromatography for nearly 2 decades. However, it still occupies a minor role in forensic toxicology drug testing laboratories. Historically, ion trap has been criticized a lot for its perceived spectral instability. Many problems has been occurred like space charge, mass misassignments, self-protonation and poor reproducibility have been noted. These problems are inherent in physical boundaries associated with ion trap design. Its applications are mass spectrometry, that include an ion trap analyzer, are mostly used for qualitative work. Second one is the examples are metabolite identification, protein identification, screening application. Third, it is also used for drug testing and discovery. And fourth one is also used for isotope ratio determination and carbon testing, etc. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query regarding this topic or video, please type in the comment box, and if you find this video informative, then share it with your friends. Thank you.